नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। आई एम डॉक्टर सचिन गुप्ता, HOD Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today I am teaching you opium medicine. You are Dr. Henneman, common name Poppy, family Papaveracea, affinity CNS, GIT, mucous membrane, relationship with heat and cold, hot patient, Masm Sora. Constitution is specially adapted to children and old people. Diseases of first and second childhood. Persons with light hair, lax muscles, and want of bodily irritability. Mental generals, delirium, constantly talking, eyes wide open, face red, puffed or unconscious, eyes glassy, half closed, face pale, deep, coma preceded by stupor. Thinks she is not at home. This is continually in her mind. Picking off bad clothes during sleep. Delirium tremens in old, emaciated persons, bloated face, stupor eyes, burning, hot, dry with loud snoring. Physical generals, want of susceptibility to remedies, lack of vital reaction, the well-chosen remedy makes no impression, all complaints with great sopor, painless complaints of nothing, wants nothing. Sleep, heavy, stupid, with stertorous breathing, red face, eyes half closed, bloodshot, skin covered with hot sweat after convulsions. Sleepy but cannot sleep, sleeplessness with acuteness of hearing, clock striking and cocks crowing at a great distance keep her awake. Ailments with insensibility and partial or complete paralysis that originate from fright, bad effects, fear still remaining from charcoal vapors, from inhaling gas of drunkards. Marasmus, child with wrinkled skin, looks like a little dried up old man. GIT, digestive organ inactive, peristaltic motion reversed or paralyzed, bowel seems closed. It also asked for reverse paralytic movements. Constipation of children of corpulent, good-natured women from inaction or paralysis, no desire from lead poisoning, stool hard, round, black balls. Pieces protrude and recedes. Stool involuntary, especially after fright. Black and offensive from paralysis of sphincter. Opium renders the intestines so sluggish that the most active purgatives lose their power. It is said by Herring. Persistent diarrhea in those treated with large doses of drugs. Said by Lippe. Urinary system, urine retained with bladder full retention postpartum and from excessive use of tobacco in nursing children after passion of nurse in fever or acute illness, paralysis of bladder or sphincter. In stramonium, we have suppression, while in opium, the secretion is not diminished. The bladder is full, but fullness is unrecognized. Respiratory system, deep stertorous respiration both on inhalation and exhalation. Loss of breath on falling asleep. Nervous system, spasm of children after approach of strangers from nursing after fright of mother. From crying, eyes half open and upturned. Screaming before or during a spasm. Sudden retrocession of acute exanthema results in paralysis of brain or convulsions. Fever bed feels so hot she cannot lie on it. More often, in search of a cool place, must be uncovered. Modalities aggravation during and after sleep, while perspiring or from warmth stimulants. Amelioration from cold, constant walking. Relationship antidotes for poisonous doses, strong coffee, Nux vomica, Kali, firm, and constant motion. When symptoms correspond, the potencies may antidote bad effects of opium drugging. Compare Apis bell, Hyoscyamus, Stramonium, and Zincum. References taken from Dr. Warwick's Materia Medica, Allen's keynotes. The session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in comment box. I will solve it on problem solving day. Thank you.